I'm trying to look cool on this big ass Triumph and I forget the simplest thing, the kickstand. It's embarrassing, but it's the reality of being a new rider. Your brain is so overwhelmed by the size of the bike that you forget the basics. After finally registering the Triumph, I couldn't wait to go out for a ride and get some practice in. Honestly, I was surprised by how easy the gearbox feels. For a bike this big, the shifts are actually very light and smooth. It's not clunky at all. I was still a bit precise and careful with my inputs because everything was new, but the bike makes it easy for you. It's a very refined experience, and after waiting to get it registered, finally being out on the road felt amazing. Then I hit the curves. This is where the engine size actually matters. It's not about the speed, it's about the inertia. When you enter a corner on a bike this heavy, it wants to stand up. I was stiff, my arms were locked, and I was braking way too much before every turn. I didn't trust the bike yet. I was terrified of leaning it too far and losing the front. If you look at my lines, they're all over the place. The fact that I fell with the Vespa in Italy didn't help either. But my mind will slowly recover from it by practicing. It's a pretty big difference because before falling with the Vespa I was leaning so much with it in the Italian mountains that I was scratching the kickstand on the ground. And maybe this lesson came at the right time. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, I posted a video about that crash. Then on the straights it starts to make sense. This engine is a masterpiece. Even if you're in the wrong gear, the torque just pulls you out. You don't have to scream the engine like a 600cc sport bike. It's calm, but it's powerful. I tried it till about 140 and it's fabulous. This is the dangerous part for a beginner. It's so easy to go fast without even realizing it. I had to keep checking the speedometer because 100 km per hour feels like 60 on this thing. By the end of the 2-hour session I was a bit exhausted. My back was hurting from all that tension and staying so stiff on the bike, but the joy was definitely worth it. You get past the small mistakes pretty quickly. It's not as hard as people make it out to be, you just need to put in the hours. The Bonneville is a beast, but a friendly one. I can't wait for the next ride.